Freya，我哋試下呢個字咯噃，好簡單呢個字，一個音節。我哋逐個 IPA 試下先。
O，
係啦，我用紅色線間住嗰個係一個雙母音 O。開估啊！唔係，我哋成個字讀下先。
comb，
開估啊！就係呢個字啦。呢個字咧，最尾嗰個字母咧係 B，但係佢係唔發音嘅噃。呢個係一個唔發音嘅 B，唔好有個 B 音喺後邊啊！好啦，Freya 示範多一次呢個字點讀？
comb，
係啦，如果呢一個字後邊再加 ing，咁會點讀咧？Freya 示範一次。
我喺呢度試。
係啊
O，
咁夾埋咧，
combing，
係啦，就冇咗嗰個 B 音，唔係 combing，係點讀啊？
combing，
係啦，大家要注意下啦。英文裏邊有好多呢啲唔發音嘅字母嘅，我哋要留意一下。我哋一齊聽下字典點樣讀。
Comb. Combing.
The word comb in English has a few main meanings. As a noun, hair tool. 1. A flat tool made of plastic, metal, or wood with a row of thin teeth, used to smooth, untangle, or style hair. Example, she ran a comb through her wet hair. 2. The fleshy red crest on the head of birds like chickens. For example, the rooster's comb was bright red. 3. A honeycomb, the structure bees make. 4. A device for separating fibers like wool. As a verb, 1. To use a comb on hair or fibers to arrange them. For example, comb your hair before going out. 2. To search thoroughly. For example, police combed the area for clues.
comb 主要指梳理頭髮的工具，中文是梳子，其他意思雞冠或鳥類頭頂的肉冠，蜂巢。動詞用法梳頭，仔細搜尋。
She picked up the comb and ran it through her long hair.
她拿起梳子，梳理她長長的頭髮。
She combed her hair before leaving the house.
她在出門前梳了頭髮。
They combed the entire forest looking for the lost hiker.
他們仔細搜遍了整個森林，尋找迷路的登山者。